All right, folks, we got Hornady ammunition. That is not us. But we got 450 Bushmaster, 250 Grain FTX at 2200 feet per second. That would be that bullet right there. We're going to do at the Bear Creek Arsenal Upper. We're going to see what we're getting on an average feet per second. And we're going to do a expansion test on this to just see what the bullet's looking like after expansion. So y'all stay tuned and see how it goes down.
2156. 2087. So 2156, 2087. 2120. So technically, that's pretty much middle range right there. All right, here we go. Just checking out the Hornady Lever Revolution 450 Bushmaster. We're 100 yards out. We're going to do a water expansion on top of with the feet per second and just see how it's expanding. Well, I see we're through the jugs. Hang on, I'm going to pop it one more time. Just to make sure we got that bullet. There we go. Let's go see what we got. Because it didn't blow up the water jug. That's. I'm hoping it just didn't keep going, and we got going through all the denim and stuff behind it. So we gotta go find that out now. Hit the water jug the first time. Wasn't leaking out much. There was no mass explosion. Definitely got case separation right here. So, what it's looking like is the bullet, as it passed through the water, decided to go skinny dipping, took his pants off, kept going. We do have on one bullet went through the water jugs, went through the denim, and this is where it hit. This is the first shot. It went through our backstop. Two 2x6s back here in the back. It did go through those as well. So that's your penetration power, expanding on the water, going through the folded up denim. 3 pair of jeans, they're about that thick, compressed, through those, and through 2x6s, 2x4s on the back. So we got runaways. We have runaways. One of them's running away naked. The second shot is out there with no pants on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go for a third try. We got the Hornady FTX and 450 Bushmaster. These are showing to be 2200 feet per second. It's this bullet right here that we got going on. We had on our 3 shots, we had 2156, we had 2080, and 2120 with an extreme spread of 69. And the average of the 3 shots was actually 2121. That's kind of cool. That last shot was just basically right down the middle. And we did try to do an expansion of it, but we had case separation. So there you go with the case separation. I got a naked bullet running around out there. And, well, we got the spread on the case separation. Almost an inch. So, I mean, that's ripping through pretty good. Wish we would have caught the rest of the bullet. We did find just the tip right there. And that is it to that. So, yeah, out of the Bear Creek Upper, it's a 20-inch barrel, I believe. Not for sure on the twist. I'll look that up. 21 on the average for this, so that's about 80 feet per second less than what they're calling on the box. And we got, well, going by that, it's some pretty good expansion, but you really don't know. But I'm going to tell you what, I put down some hogs with these, and I was shoulder shooting them. Yeah, they were the smaller hogs. They were about 75 pounders, 100 pounders, maybe. No, not even 100 pounders. They were definitely 75 pounders, and just shoulder shooting them with that, and it was complete pass-throughs on them. So that is, there you go, and there you are. 450 Bushmaster FTX.